Hey guys, George here with Roofgraf. Short video today on, well, a continuation of the previous video, if you haven't seen that one, on square projects. So now we'll be looking at the second type of project in Roofgraf. This is a full proposal. So I'm going to open up the square project I finished in our last video. As I say here, it was a job that we quoted at about 450 bucks a square. What we want to do now, let's imagine this customer's interested at that initial price point, so now we want to get a more detailed price out to them and a proposal that they can actually sign. On any square project, you can find those from your jobs page. You'll see the square project label and the icon indicating that it's a square project. Simply open that up, you'll land on the square details page, and then obviously if you do want to convert this into a proposal, simply hit the create proposal button at the top. That will take you back to the drawing tool. Now, as we discussed in the last video, with those square projects, all we're looking for is this magic number here, how many squares on the roof. At this point, we are generating a full proposal, so we're going to need a little bit more information than just the number of squares. And this is obviously where we come back to our drawing, and we now start to add in the internal lines of the roof. So there are other videos, I believe, on exactly how to measure out these roofs, but very, very simple, as you see here on the screen, just basically connecting the missing lines, breaking up the roof into different facets, and then this time we can hit that apply button, which will give us the pitch. Should land on a 5 on 12, there we are, and we've also coloured our lines in as well. So we've now got ridge in green, hips in red, eave in blue. Now if ever you don't see that apply button appear on your screen, guys, this means that project is in a rural area, or certainly an area that we don't have the required data for. So in that case, what you would actually do, although we can't give you the pitch, you'd need to enter that yourself using the edit pitch tool. That may come obviously later on, but what you can do at least is manually identify these lines. So you see here I've just selected eave, clicking on all my eaves. We'll then move on, select our hips in red, and lastly our ridge in green. So a little bit more manual in some cases, but obviously if you do have that apply button, by all means use that. The software will do that step for you. From there we can hit next. This time, rather than just entering in a per square price and getting our square details page and our basic report, this time Roofgraf will actually run the measurements through our templates. It will tell us how much of each material we need, what our costs will be for each of our good, better, best templates, and then obviously we can skip through that, enter our customer information as always, and now we have a full proposal ready for that customer with a product selection in each of those three scenarios, a statement of work, and obviously a selling price down the bottom. So yeah, hopefully that clears up the distinction there between a square project and a proposal. As ever, give us a call, any questions, 888 997 1101, extension 2. Right, thanks guys, see you soon, bye bye.